So what we need to do is get real close to these dumpsters, but we don't want to hit them, you know what I mean? So, but I'm a professional, I've been doing this for years. So I'm just gonna kind of swoop in here and go nice and easy along here. We're gonna cut it. I just want to show you how to get close without hitting something. So give me a minute, I'm gonna get set up, and then we're gonna go and I'll show you the edge. You know what I mean? So give me 1 minute. I bent that a little bit, but all right, you see how nice and close I got? I did hit it, but that's because the throttle got stuck, so that wasn't my fault. But usually I would get that, you know, right on the money there. You know, just watch the throttle. If they, you know, the throttle gets stuck. All right, now I'm gonna teach you how to back blade. Now pretend this was a garage door. Somebody's garage, you gotta be really careful. So now we're gonna drive up, we're gonna drop it and blade back, okay? So just watch, and this is how it's done. Alright guys, that's how that's done. Don't be scared to give it a little love tap. You know, it's not going to hurt nothing, right? A little, you know, little love tap. But see how close I get? So you drive up, you drop her down, and then you just put it in reverse. The Fisher plows, the Western plows, they tend to be better plows, you know. You know, this is a Fisher. I got another truck with a Western. I just got to put it on, you know what I mean? So that I'll be the only, you know, second person up here to have a plow. So, you know, I'm gonna be, you know, super busy with this, you know. But yeah. Yeah, you see, I gave her a little glove tap, but I didn't scratch the paint. So that's kind of where you're at, you know what I mean? So that's the kind of and this is a Cummins turbo diesel. So you can imagine if you're plowing with a, you know, I don't know, a Chevy or something, I don't know. It wouldn't, you know, do that kind of damage. So, you know, because this is a Cummins, not a Cummings, a Cummins. You know what I mean? A Cummings, the Cummings is the other truck. I hear some people pronounce it Cummings. Yeah, that's the other truck. This is a Cummins turbo diesel, automatic. You know what I mean? All right. So yeah, what do we got left over here, Bob? Oh, sorry, guys. There ain't nobody here. You know, sometimes I start talking to myself because I work with myself all the time. All right, guys. So you see what I'm dealing with here? I'm in a little bit of a situation, as you know. So my situation is that these dumpsters are placed, whoever the owner of this company is, places the dumpsters like this. What do they want me to do about it? Well, now, good thing I'm a professional, because I'm gonna have to go and edge every one of these. But I have an easier way. See, when you're snow plowing, you gotta think ahead. You know what I mean? So be a step ahead, because you could get yourself in trouble. But you see what I did here? Because I'm thinking, I cleared a path. You know what I mean? That guy's not going to use that dumpster. See, I pushed up against the front of it. That's what he gets. But here's the thing. I gave myself a path right here. See? So now I'm going to back up. I'm going to back up right... Oh, sorry, guys. I'm going to back up right over there. Up against that. We're going to bring her around. I'm going to edge it now. I'm going to angle my plow. Watch me. I'm going to angle my plow. And I'm going to do a swoop. And what the swoop is going to do... it's going to swoop around, and bang, I come back out. So I'll be releasing my snow. So I'm gonna go around. Boom. I'm gonna go out there, release my snow. And what that's gonna be able me to do is to get back in here, and probably I'll back in. I mean, if you guys have a better plan on this, but you know what I mean? I'm thinking back it back in. So I'm gonna do the swoop, and then we're gonna back it back in, you understand? So then everything's gonna be away from the dumpsters. So once we do that, then we could gradually, you know what I mean, get everything out of here. Because everything's funneled into that one snow bank, because that's the kind of room I got here. Here, let me give you a little, now it's getting windy out. Okay. All right, but I do have this right here. You understand? I have this area to put snow. So I'm gonna be honest with you right now. I might change the plan of the funnel situation of releasing everything out there. And I might actually stick to the game plan, or I'm gonna change my game plan up, guys. I'm gonna do the swoop, but now I'm thinking ahead. Swoop it, put it there. You understand? You swoop it, put it there. I like that game plan better. Alright guys, here's the situation. This swoopity-doo whatever ain't working. You know what I mean? So we gotta change up the plan right now. Okay, because here's the situation. It just didn't work out as planned. Did you got to be a step ahead, but sometimes you get ahead of yourself. So, you know, it worked, but there's too much stuff in the way. But what we're gonna do, I found a spot. See, now you start looking for a spot to release all this snow. I got a spot right there. It's about 10 foot wide. That plow's only 8. I guarantee you I can stack probably all the snow right in that pile right there. Nobody puts baby in the corner. Always find a way out, guys. This is training right now. Swoop here, we gotta get these up. Now we're doing the funnel. Alright guys, so I think you learned about everything there is for snow plowing. So we did the swoop, we did the edging, we did the, you know, the back blading. I mean, I don't know what else I could show you. I told you get a Cummins, not a Cummings. And make sure it's got a turbo on it because you need that extra oomph to get this, you know, snow moved. But yeah, I mean, it looks good enough for my house. So, you know, if this owner isn't happy, then he could find somebody else. And nobody else has a plow up here, so who else they gonna call? So I kind of got him locked in. Get a shovel and dig him out or something so he can back up to him. I mean, I don't know, but, you know, not my problem. I'll move the snow. I'm not shoveling, not with my back, bub. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. And, you know, hopefully you learned a lot. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I got a lot of good tips. You know, I've been around the block. I know what I'm talking about. So, you know, just, you know, hang out, you know, watch me. You know what I mean? Just, and you'll be a genius, you know, like me. So, I'm hoping that you're gonna, you know, take this serious. You know, this is a free class. You're not even paying for this. So, all right. See you on the next one, eh?